Good morning and welcome to the Shackin' First Monday Morning Minute.
Hello, I'm Dr. David Powers and welcome to this week's Monday Morning Minute. Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to use the healing caps when we're temporizing on mini dental implants and on the new mono implants. We have two different size healing caps, one for the mono, one for the traditional MDL. So what you do in both these cases, you'll take the healing cap and snap onto the implants, okay? They're both custom fit for the MDL and also the mono implants. Once they're snapped into place, what we can do is we can take just a composite resin of your choice, and the way I do it is I'll take it and roll it into a ball, and I'll just basically place it right over the top of the implant healing cap, put it right over the top of it, and push it into the undercuts of the adjacent teeth. Then I'll actually shape it up with my flat or plastic instrument. Then I'll have the patient bite down to get the occlusion correct. Then I'll take it and I'll light cure it. And after that, I'll shape it to look like the tooth and adjust the bite. The way these are removed when the patient comes back, you can either use a hemostat to remove it, or you can actually cut them in half and just pop them off like you would a regular temporary. This makes it a lot easier to make your temporaries in the mouth directly rather than relying on a prefabricated type of temporary. If you have any other questions regarding these healing caps, just give Shackin' First a call at 888-474-2854. They come in packs of 10, and I use them every day in my practice. Thank you for joining me for this Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. We hope everyone out there had a wonderful, wonderful holiday season, and I hope that your 2023 is off to a great start. We're excited at Shackin' First this year. We have a lot of things we want to get across to you guys, and first, let me talk a little bit about what's behind me. I know it looks like I'm in a beautiful summer day here, but November and December really decided to whack us with a lot of snow. I'm sure you guys saw the blizzard that we had right over Christmas, but good news is the snow's melted, we're ready to roll, and we want to see you out at a course. So February 3rd and 4th will be an introductory course on mini and mono dental implants. We want to teach everyone how to do these minimally invasive surgeries that Dr. Shackin and our team has perfected over the years. And another thing I wanted to tell you about is the Chicago Midwinter Dental Show. Come visit us out at our booth. We're going to be lecturing at our booth. We always love to see our dentists in the Midwest, and Chicago is such a great city to have a dental show in. The CDS has been going on since the 1920s, and it's an excellent show, so come out and see us. And then we're back to Buffalo for our first advanced course of the year. The advanced courses fill up quick because it's a lot of information that Dr. Shackin hands out, and we go over some issues that could be occurring. We go over the best way to place the implants. You're going to see a whole day of live surgery. So our advanced course, March 9th and 10th. So make it a point to come out to Buffalo. And I also want to talk about our Academy meeting. The International Academy of Mini Dental Implants Symposium this year will be June 22nd and June 23rd. And it's held out at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a great place to have some education and have a little fun. So make it a point to sign up. Call us today. You can call us at 1-888-4SHACKIN, or you can sign up online at shackinfirst.com. Whatever's easiest for you. And remember, we're there for you 24/7. If you ever have any questions, you need to order product, you need any lab information, don't hesitate to give us a call. This year, we want mini dental implants to be your #1 go-to in your dental office. So we're excited to work with you this year. Give us a call, come to a course, and we look forward to seeing you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.